Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! At kung first time mo dito sa channel ko, please tune in until the end. And please do subscribe guys. At marami pa akong i-share na aking cake decorating and tips, tricks, and techniques. Thank you so much guys! So, for today's video, gagawa naman tayo ng Guns and Roses na themed ng cake. So, itong ginagawa ko, para siyang yung sombrero, no? Yung parang sombrero. And then, maiksi lang tong video ko, guys, kasi kukonti lang yung steps na ginagawa niya dito. Pero, medyo hindi ako nadalian sa paggawa ko nito kasi nga first time ko lang gawin to guys. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Ayan, i-cover lang natin siya ng black. As I have said before, hindi ko pinupuro-puro talaga ng food color lalo na kapag ka-black guys kasi medyo mahirap magpa-black and then pag kinain nyo yan guys, talagang messy yan sa buong mouth natin, sa teeth, sa tongue, ganon. As in, nangingitim talaga siya. Pero syempre, pag nag-gargle naman tayo, matatanggal naman. And then, yan, pina-frosting ko muna siya ng chocolate, yung aking buong cake. And then, tsaka ko lang siya papatungan ng manipis lang na black. Kasi alam ko guys, sa ating mga home bakers, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners, struggle na struggle tayo sa pagpapablock. Maganda to guys kung gagamitan natin siya ng airbrush ha. Pero that time kasi, hindi ko feel gumamit ng airbrush So itong ginawa ko. Bali manipis lang yung black. And then, wag natin kakalimutan maglalagay ng dowels guys ha. Ang ano nito, ang size na itong cake na to ay 8x7. Mga ganon. 8x7 na mocha chiffon cake. And then, ayan. Nilagyan ko siya ng decoration. Bali yung topper. Marami pa yung toppers, guys, na ni-request ng ating clients. Pero yan nasa harap, guys, kung nakikita nyo, medyo humawa yung black na icing natin doon sa ating printed topper. Pero yung nasa harap yan siya, guys, humawa siya kasi hindi ko siya nalagyan ng Scotch tape. Sabi ko nga guys, 'di ba? Every day is a learning process. So dito, araw-araw natututo tayo nung mga mali natin. Syempre, i-resolve natin siya. So maganda guys kung ang mga printed toppers natin, i-cover natin siya ng kahit Scotch tape lang guys. Scotch tape sa harap at sa likod para maiwasan nating humawa yung ating mga icing. So ayan na yung sinasabi ko guys, na requested ng ating clients. Maraming toppers ng Guns and Roses. Pero, for me kasi, maganda na itong siya na walang toppers So, ayan. Feel ko siya videohan kasi first time ko. Anong tingin nyo guys? Maganda ba? Nabigyan ko ba ng hustisya? Yan guys, tapos na siya guys. Yun lang maiiwan kong tips na pag nag-icing tayo ng mga black, ng mga red, nipisan lang natin. At as much as possible kung magagawa natin ahead of time para mag-set pa ang ating color, mag-darken pa siya. Kasi guys, kapag habang tumatagal, na-enhance pa ang color ng ating mga icing. So, kapag ganyang black, red, navy blue, mga ganyan, maganda pagka i-prepare natin siya ahead of time. Para makulay siya guys. Tulad niya, no, may mga ano-ano pa siya sa diba? Maganda yan kung lalagyan pa natin siya ng airbrush. Pero sa pag tumagal yan, mga ilang minutes pa, mas ma-enhance pa niya yung color guys, yung color black niya. And then, mawawala na rin yung mga natitirang kung may nakikita kayong may mga puti-puting part. Habang tumatagal, mas nagba-black pa yan siya guys. And I want to thank my repeat client, Ma'am Mercy. Thank you so much po for ordering this cake. You have no idea po how happy I was, how you have helped me and my children for ordering this cake. Thank you so much po. This cake was last March 11, and those are the darkest part of my life and my children's life. I'm so scared that I can't think of tomorrow. Woo! Thank you so much po, because it's really hard for me to think how to survive those times, because I have no idea where to get. Although I have a few savings on my bank, but I don't know when it will last. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, no? Just stay positive lang guys. Tingnan nyo naman, nagagawa ko na lang siyang tawanan ngayon. So, basta ma'am, thank you so much po. Sobrang laking tulong po talaga nito para sa amin ng mga anak ko. Thank you so much, and God bless to your whole family po. Thank you po ma'am, thank you. Alam ko naman guys na each and every individual is facing different challenges and trials each and every day. But how we cope with it and how we deal with it is the most important thing. Just have faith in Him, and everything's gonna be fine. Everything happens for a reason. And I thank God for giving me strength, for being always there to guide me, and I thank God for letting me experience those challenges, because it made me stronger and it made me a better person. The most important thing is the lesson that we get from the challenges, that what should we and what not to repeat. That's all guys. So have faith in Him, and that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care always guys. God bless you all. Good night. Bye bye.